Hi, good evening, everyone. How are you?
Fine, Javed. Fine. Very good
Neeraj,
evening.
We're
Prahlad,
very good. So nice to see you.
so amazing, guys. How was the last week? The activity last week, what it was burning our encodes, tearing our encodes, and reading our e-codes. How was the activity,
Yeah.
Prahlad?
It was amazing, Javed. It make me to come out lot of areas, carrying lot of years, couple of years carrying N code and now burning it that I'm feeling so happy and writing my E code up throughout of it. That is one of the habit
You
right now
have to
day-to-day
read your
basis.
awesome,
Yeah.
Yes,
Prahlad.
Jack.
Read your
Same here.
e-codes
Same here.
every
I
week.
have the same thing. I feel like I was carrying some baggage, unwanted burden for such a long time with so many years of unwanted baggage, and it feels very light, relieving. And I every time there's some kind of negative emotions coming up, I always dilute them with the e codes that I have discovered now. It's been very, very relieved kind of a feeling.
Oh, very nice, very great feeling. And today we are starting the third week. Yes, third week, and the activity for this week is Outcomes Plus. Okay, I'll just give a brief introduction about the activity called Outcomes. See, your outcomes, they excite you, motivate you, and inspire you to take action and push yourself, right? Once you understood what are the baselines, what is integrated power coding, and realize that without these being clear and aligned, trying to achieve anything will be difficult. Once you have clarity of baselines and IPC, our outcomes becomes easy to achieve. Have you
Right.
ever observed someone that they are less talented than you, but they're in a top position? Have you observed, Sirat?
Yes, yes,
My
there are a
boss,
lot
I
of
observed.
that.
Yeah, my boss, I always think that how did he reach there? The simple answer is that their like outcomes, baselines, and IPC, that is power coding, is aligned. Understand?
Wow. Every time I thought unki kismat achhi hai otherwise.
Not like that. Their codes and baselines and outcomes are aligned together, right? When outcomes and codings are aligned, it works like a magic, right, Prahlad?
Yeah. Yes.
So
Yes. Yes.
that I would like to like, and traditional goal setting is bullshit. It is not at all going to help. See, traditional goal setting, it will not have a definite date, a definite time, whereas outcomes will have a time. If you don't know where you want to be, how will you ever get there? Besides knowing your outcome, it is also important to know that it should be measurable, real, and not just randomly a vague goal. Understand? So now let us focus on our activity. What do I need to focus on? Right? Like briefly describing about this activity. By doing this activity, you will focus on absolutely critical and necessary top outcomes, top three outcomes. Understand? Before that, like the purpose of the activity is to identify the number of the outcomes you have, and both short-term and long-term goals and outcomes we have. To narrow down this, I'll just give an activity. You have to brainstorm and write the 50 outcomes for the next 5 years. After writing 50 outcomes, you have to write in front of each outcome plus one, three, five, and five plus plus. It means the outcomes for first year, third year, fifth year, and so on. And see from where are you going to get these 50 outcomes? It's not so easy. You have to refer your wheel of life where you give some numbering, right? You have to refer your wheel of life and start writing your 50 outcomes, and your time starts now.
Okay. Done, Javed.
Yes, yes, Javed, done.
Done? Oh, great, great, great. How was the experience, Siraj? Writing 50 outcomes, was it easy to you?
No, to be honest, it was not very easy at the beginning, but because you had given a reference point to check with your wheel of life, that made it easy. So I started with the area that I thought according to me, needed to be worked upon. And then finally it started flowing. So I was kind of in a flow after, and then yeah, I finished it and I managed to do that. So thank you for helping me out on that.
Right, Prahlad, was it easy for you?
No, Javid, as Sirat told, no, as a reference you given to Wheel of Life is then becomes very easy, and I'm really thanks to giving the reference. But initially, if you're not giving reference, it's very difficult. Mind is not come on the 50 outcomes. Yeah, really thanks.
Yeah, Prahlad. Even I feel the same.
Yeah,
Right, Prahlad.
yeah.
Now, hi, Sirat. Now we are going to have one more activity. Before that, may I know what are your top three outcomes, Sirat?
Yes, Javed, my top three outcomes are like, first of all, I want to take care of my health because I have been
Wow.
neglecting that, and because of which I've just become a borderline, diabetic, which is very bad. So I have to take care of my health on that. And second, I want to obviously do become a coach and a public speaking person. So I want to work on my skills on that, and I want to write a book for my, to increase my credibility as, and also just it's one of my aspirations to be an author one day, so I want to focus on that as well.
Right. Prahlad, what are your top three outcomes?
My top three outcomes, Javid. First things, first outcome to constructing my house in Bangalore. That is where I decided
Wow.
to outcomes. Okay. Second outcomes, I just want to be make my moms to be go on the for one of the place where she always tell me to going. That is from on the Shiva's place. That is from in China, which is in Amar for that is Shiva place where he want to be go. Okay, where Shiva was there. Manas. Okay, Manas Sarovar. That is my one of the outcome where I'm carry on. And third, I want to become a coach where I want to be add lot of value to the people. That is my third outcomes.
Very good. Very fine. Fantastic, Sirat. Prahlad. Now we have one more activity where it's like a tool. Like the name of the activity is define the outcomes.
Yeah.
So you have to use the online tool called Define My Outcome. It is there in a tool. To define your most important outcome, this tool will help you to put your outcomes according to order of the importance. After you have finished with the activity, select one outcome out of the three, then you can start focusing on now. So in this tool called Define My Activity, you have to classify the outcomes in the three categories like time upfront, time ongoing. Time upfront means like how long will it take to get this up and running and start receiving benefits. Remember the speed of implementation also. And one more thing is like time ongoing. How long will it take to grow and maintain this? Can this be passively managed in the future? Right? And remember the opportunity cost also. And third is excitement. How much does the idea of this excite you? Okay, will you enjoy the process of uh, having through it or through your willpower or to push and difficulty level of this? What is the difficulty level of the outcomes you selected? Do currently you have the skill set, or how likely it is going to success? It will lead to success for you. How much variance is there in potential outcomes, and what is the impact of these outcomes in the 90 days? How much immediate impact will it have? What is the short term impact and opportunities does it create, and momentum it builds on, and how much these outcomes are going to impact your life 20 years, 5 years from now, like how much it is going to impact your life's mission. So the total score is calculated approximately 1 equals to 1 and 2 equals to 4, 3 equals to 9 and 4 equals to 16, 5 equals to 25, and this is going to be a total score. And I am sharing you the tool. Please number this activity according to choice of your difficulty level, time upfront and time ongoing. Okay. Please, Sirius and Prahlad, you can start the activity. I've shared the tool.
Done, Javed.
Yes. Then Sirius. Okay, Sirius, you are unmute. Muted. You are muted.
Yes, sorry. Yeah, I finished.
Finished. Good, good. So we'll start with Prahlad.
Yeah.
Prahlad, how was the experience with the tool?
Yeah, it's amazing for Javed. Accordingly to me, what I thought that it is tools make me on the opposite, which is I thought in the first activity, first outcome, but is not happen. That is coming from my third outcomes where I can able to be see myself to be make some money.
How was your experience, Sirat?
Actually, it was great because I had rated myself differently, and then the tool rated me more kind of more appropriate rating, I think, comparative to what I had given my numbers that I fed in. So it's got shuffled up, but I think that's more accurate. That now I've got the correct rating now.
Great experience, Sirat and Prahlad. I hope you enjoyed this week, third week. You enjoyed it thoroughly.
Yeah,
So we
yeah,
are
Javed.
going to, yes.
Yes,
You want to say
Javed.
anything?
Yeah, I wanted to just tell you that when I had entered the activity, the first number that I had given was for my health, because I thought my health is deteriorating, so I won't be in a position to do anything. Then the next one I had rated was coaching, because I thought that would be important for me to get financially independent and so become a speaker, and everything was, I was very excited on that. And then I said, then I will do my book writing as in going on as long as I'm all focused on these things. But somehow the ratings that I've given, the system has put the book writing as the number one activity, because it looks like I'm very excited and energized about that. And then the next one would be my health, because I am putting a lot of effort into that one as well. And it says coaching would probably be the third result that would be beneficial for me to happen in an organic manner. So I'm going to focus on that now, since the system has given me a more accurate rating.
Yes, yes,
Very
amazing.
good, very good.
Same,
Yeah,
same thing,
fantastic. Think
Javed.
about the system. It doesn't have emotions, right? It
Yes.
will check according to the difficulty level, time upfront, and preference. So, Prahlad,
Correct.
how was your experience of using the tool?
Same, Javed, as for Sirat is told for I given a first my outcome was as I told you, the constructing my house, and second was I thought to be taking my mom to be for Manas. Third is was a coaching, but when the tools suffer things, my first was become a coaching right now, where I can able to be take first was a coaching so that I can focus on. Second was becomes as good as my mom to be Manas, that is there. Third, my first become a third right now, as a constructing house become a third, so I can able to focus
Great,
on right
great,
now.
great.
Yeah.
So, was it tool helpful and great, Prahlad?
Yes, yes, amazing, Javed. It is.
Yes,
It is give me the clear picture right now.
I think we have a
nice.
lot of clarity right now, because, like they said, it is a tool about where to focus. So that's very important, because wherever you focus, your energy will be directed towards that thing. So it is easier for us to channelize our energy towards a more precisely done tool. And I'm happy that this activity was done. Thank you, Javed, for this amazing.
Thank you, Sirat, and thank you, Prahlad. We will
Thank you.
meet next week again with a new activity called Encourage. Okay? Till
Thank you,
then, bye
Javed.
bye.
Bye, Javed.
Bye.
Bye,
Thank
bye,
you.
Jarat.